Hello people, so today we'll be solving LeetCode daily question 623, that is add one row to tree, and in this we'll be given the root of a binary tree and two integers val and depth, and we need to add a row of nodes with the value val at the given depth, which is depth, and note that the root node is at the depth 1, and in this the adding rule is that we'll be given the integer depth for each not null tree node current at the depth of -1. We need to create true tree nodes with value val as current left subtree and the left subtree root and right subtree root, and current's original left subtree should be the left subtree of the new left subtree root, and similarly with the case of right. And if the depth is equal to 1, that is means there is no depth at depth -1 at all, then we need to create a node with the value val as the new root of the whole tree, and the original tree is the new root. Okay, so for example, it would be more clear to you with an example. Like, let's say if I am having 4 2 6 3 1 5 and my depth is given to be 2, so let's say we at the level 2 I need to add two nodes of basically value 1. So it will the tree will final tree will look like this. I have added the two nodes of value 1 at the depth of 2, and in this case I am given the value 1 again and the depth of 3. So if I have a look at the depth 3, that is 1 2. Okay, so I guess that there is, okay, at the depth -1 I need to add, sorry. Okay, because let's say this is 0 and this is 1th level, so in this case I was given depth 2 at the -1. Right, now if this is the depth 3 and I need to add, let's say, two nodes at this particular depth, so my 2's left child will be 1 and its left child would be 3, and left child would be right child of 2 would be 1, and which is the new node, and then a 1 again, this current particular node. Okay, so for this what we will be doing, we'll be doing a DFS traversal also, but let's first write the basic condition that if my depth is equal to 1, depth is equal to 1, what I'll be doing is I'll be adding a tree node new root that will be equal to new tree node with the value val. Okay, and now new tree new root dot left pointer will be equal to the current root, and at the end I'll just return the new root, return new root. Okay, and if this is not the case, so I need to call a function, let's say return add nodes basically, let's say, and in this I'll be passing the root, the value, the depth, and the current depth, which is 1. Okay, and now I'll just copy this structure which and add nodes, comma, and current depth. Okay, and now sorry for this. Okay, and now I'll be checking that if my root is equal to null, I need to return null only, return null. Else what I need to do, if my current is equal to depth -1, what I need to do, I'll having a tree node, let's say right, that will be equal to root dot left, and let's have a right subtree, okay, sorry, left subtree, let's say, and here I'll be having tree node right subtree, here it will be equal to root dot right, and then what I'll be doing, root dot left will be equal to my new tree node with the value val, and similarly my root dot right will be equal to new tree node of value. And what I'll be doing now, that my root dot left will be equal to my left subtree, and my root dot right will be equal to my right subtree. Okay, else I'll just call the DFS again, that root dot left will be equal to my add nodes root dot left, comma, val, comma depth, comma current plus 1, and similarly I need to do for the right node, root dot right also, and here also root dot right. Okay, and at the end I just need to return the return root. Okay, now let's run it. Yeah, and it gets accepted. Now let's submit it. And it works perfectly fine. Okay, so this was it for today. Thank you for watching.